Good morning, children. How is everyone? I hope all are fine. So, children, today we are going to study EVS, chapter number 5, Food We Eat. So, tell me, why do we eat food? See, whenever we feel hungry, we eat food, yes? Whenever you feel hungry, what do you say? You shout, no, mommy, give me food, give me something. I'm feeling very hungry. Yes? So, whenever we feel hungry, we eat food. And children, all living beings need food, okay, to survive. Without food, we cannot survive. So, how does food help us, children? It helps us to keep us healthy. Then it helps us to grow. Okay? And it also helps us in getting energy. It gives us energy, no? See, we need energy to play, to work, to study. Okay? For talking, walking, for all these activities, we need to get energy. Without energy, we cannot do any work. So, from where do we get energy? We get energy from food. Okay? So, children, do we eat same kinds of food items all day? For breakfast, then for lunch, for dinner? Do we eat same kinds of food? No. We eat different kinds of food. Children, why do we need to eat different kinds of food items? Because these different kinds of food have different qualities. Okay? Our body needs all these qualities to keep us healthy and strong. Okay? So children, there are some food items which gives us energy to work, to play, to write, to study, for dancing, for singing. For all these activities, we need energy. And you know what these types of food called as? They are called as energy giving food. Okay? And can you give me some examples of energy giving food items? So, they are sugar, butter, ghee, rice. Okay? So, these are the food items which gives us energy. Then children, there are some food items which helps us in building our body. See, you also want to become strong, no? You all are growing children, no? You want to grow tall. So, your body needs to have such food items which will help you in building your body. Okay, which will help you in making your bones and muscles strong. So, they are called as bodybuilding food. Okay, and you know the examples of bodybuilding food? They are milk, butter, paneer, soybean, fish. So, these are all bodybuilding food items. Okay, children? Then, children, we also need to eat food items which will help us to protect ourselves from the diseases. And do you know which food items help us to protect us from diseases? They are called as protective food. So children, you need to eat a lot of fruits and fresh vegetables to protect yourself from diseases. Okay children? Now children, tell me, from where do we get food? Yes, we get food from plants and animals. Okay? So, there are some people who eat food obtained from plants only. And what are they called as? They are called as vegetarians. Okay? They are called as vegetarians. Then children, there are people who eat food obtained from plants as well as from the animals. So they are called as non-vegetarians. Okay, children? Now, do you know that milk is a complete food? But why is it a complete food? See, we need to have different kinds of food items, no? So, how can milk be a complete food? See, milk has all these qualities which all these different kinds of food items have. Okay? Milk has all the qualities in it. That is why milk is a complete food. Okay? So children, to keep our body healthy and strong, we need to adopt some healthy eating habits. Do you know what are those healthy eating habits? So, you should eat all these types of food. Okay, to keep you healthy, you have to eat all these different kinds of food, everything. Then children, you should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, because our body needs a lot of water, okay, to clean it from inside. Then children, before eating or after your meal, you must wash your hands. Okay, make sure that you wash your hands before and after every meal. Otherwise children, if your hands are dirty, the germs will get inside your body. Okay, it will get into your body, and what will happen then? You will fall sick. So, make sure that you wash your hands. Then children, we must have properly cooked food. Okay? Then we must not eat junk food items. And what are those junk food items? I know your all-time favorite. Pizzas, burgers, noodles, Maggi, pasta. Isn't it? So these are children unhealthy food items, and we must not eat all these food. Okay children? Then children, we must not talk while eating. Okay? Otherwise, while eating, if you talk, no, the food may get stuck here. Okay, so do not talk while eating. Then children, we must not overeat. Okay? Then children, the last point is, we must not waste our food. Children, it is a very bad habit. We must not waste the food. Whatever is there on your plate, you must finish that much. Okay? I hope you have understood this chapter and you will adopt these healthy eating habits. Okay? I'm going to ask your parents, are you all following these healthy eating habits or not? So, let us read the chapter now. So, quickly open your books. Chapter number 5. Page number 29. Chapter 5. Food we eat. Come on, let's start reading now. We all eat different types of food for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Do you know why we need different kinds of food every day? It is not just about taste. Different kinds of food items have different qualities that are necessary for us to stay healthy. For example, some foods give us lots of energy. Some others build the body, while some of the foods protect us from diseases. So children, on the basis of different qualities, we divide food into energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. Okay children? Now let's understand these types of food. First is energy giving food. Food items like sugar, rice, potatoes, butter, ghee, etc. are high in energy. So, these are called energy giving foods. We need energy to work and play. Okay, children? So, which are the food items which have a lot of energy in it? Sugar, rice, butter, potatoes. Okay? These food items have a lot of energy in them. So, and why do we need energy, children? We need energy to work, to play, then for singing, dancing, talking, walking, playing. For all these activities, we need energy. Okay? Now, turn the page, children. Bodybuilding food. Some food items like pulses, soya bean, milk, eggs, paneer, etc. help us to grow tall and strong. These are called bodybuilding foods. These help in building bones and muscles. So, children, bodybuilding foods, you need to build your bones and muscles, okay, and to grow tall and strong. So, see, these are the examples of bodybuilding food: pulses, milk, eggs, paneer. Okay, children? Now we have protective food. Foods like fresh vegetables and fruits protect us from diseases and keep us healthy. These are called protective foods. So, see, fruits and vegetables, it will protect you from diseases. Okay? So, you should have lots of green vegetables and fresh fruits. We should eat all kinds of food every day to stay fit and healthy. Okay, children? You should eat energy giving food, then bodybuilding food and some protective food daily. Okay, when you eat all these different types of food in adequate amount, then that is known as a balanced diet. Okay, children? Next, also we should follow healthy eating habits to maintain good health. People who eat only fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses are called vegetarians. So children, see, fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, all these foods we get from the plants. Okay, all these food items are obtained from plants, and the people who eat only these food, they are called as vegetarians. Okay, so the people who eat only these kinds of food, they are called as vegetarians. Then some people also eat eggs and meat. They are called non-vegetarians. Okay, children? Now over here it's written, milk is a complete food. It has the qualities of all the three kinds of food. Okay? Now let's come to the next page. Healthy eating habits. So, what are the healthy eating habits, children? Let's read. Eat all types of food to be healthy. Then, second one is drink plenty of clean water. Next, wash your hands before and after eating your meals. Next, eat your meals at proper times. Next, eat properly cooked food. Next, chew your food slowly and well. Next, do not overeat. Next, do not eat junk food. So junk food is unhealthy food. Then, do not waste food. And do not talk while eating. So what are the healthy eating habits, children? That we must eat all types of food. Okay, to be healthy, we must have energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food, okay, in adequate amount. Then children, we must drink plenty of clean water. And how is water helpful, children? Yes, it cleans our body from inside. It removes the waste, okay, from the body. And children, it also helps your skin to be healthy. Then children, we must wash our hands before and after eating every meal, okay. Then we should eat meals at proper times, okay. You should follow a proper timetable of that. Then we must eat properly cooked food. The food should be properly cooked. Then children, while eating, you must chew your food slowly and well, okay. Then we must not overeat. Then children, junk food, as I have told you all, that we must not eat junk food at all, okay. Then, and we must not waste food. Wasting food is very bad. And children, while eating, we must not talk, okay. Let us read this. Your body needs at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Water helps clearing waste from the body. So, children, have you all understood this chapter? So, let us revise it once. Children, what are the different kinds of food? It is energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So, can you give me examples of energy giving food? Come on, say with me. Sugar, rice, butter, potatoes. What are these? Energy giving food, because you get energy from them, okay. Then what is bodybuilding food, children? It helps you to grow tall and strong, okay. So what are the bodybuilding food items? Pulses, milk, eggs, paneer. Come on, repeat. Pulses, milk, eggs, paneer. What are these? Bodybuilding food. Next, children, protective food. What are protective food, children? It protects you from diseases. So, what are the protective food items? Fruits and vegetables. Okay, children? So, these are the 3 types of food that we should have in our daily life. Then, children, who are vegetarians? People who eat only fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. They are called as vegetarians. And who are non-vegetarians? People who eat food obtained from plants as well as from animals. See, eggs and meat we get from animals, no? So The people who eat all these food items, they are called as non-vegetarians. Okay. Then milk, children, it is a complete food. And why is it a complete food? Because it has got all the qualities of the 3 kinds of foods. Okay. So children, now this chapter is over. Book exercises we are going to do afterwards, okay, in the next class. Thank you.